wish I'd have came up here sooner. I wish I'd have come up here back in 2000. That would have really helped me a ton in my driving career. So I think that surprised me, was there's so many components into one single tire, and they're all handled at one point by that technician that's putting that tire together. You know, you put your life in that tire's hand when it's on the race car. What y'all working on?
Oh, liner table.
What happened?
Rebuild.
Oh, yeah? Nobody knows more about what a race tire should be, needs to be, and should feel like than a driver, right? I just had a chance to watch one get put together. I'd have never guessed. Well, we appreciate y'all.
Hey, thanks, guys. Be
All right.
safe.
Take it easy. Every race is a opportunity for Goodyear to shine as a company, and the company's all about people. That's got to be a celebration of victory for these employees, because they built all the tires, every single one, that went to that racetrack and got put on a race car.
To your foundation, and this is a result of a project we had selling tires, Goodyear and Dale together, with proceeds for those tires going to the foundation.
Goodyear continues to step up and do a great job. The most important thing at the racetrack is the tire. It's what connects the car to the road. I know Goodyear has a massive responsibility. I've learned that over the years, and I really respect that, respect the job and how serious they take it.